Deep thoughts? You're on Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? My name is Denise from my Amazon guy, and my job is to find growth opportunities and brands on Amazon. And I noticed a few areas that could potentially help increase your visibility and overall sales. First, I wanted to congratulate you on building your brand on Amazon with a 3.4-star rating. Let's start with this tool that we use to analyze keywords and looking at your keyword distribution. You're not running any ads, and that means you're missing sales opportunities. We manage hundreds of PPC brands and found that ads are profitable when managed correctly. Also, your organic keywords could still be improved as you don't want to miss your SEO opportunities. We aim for a 1 is to 2 SEO to PPC ratio, and we call that the golden keyword ratio. Here are your word cloud, and these are the most important keywords on your listing, and there are many more other keywords you could rank for, and more keywords means customers are finding your product. Now, I have here the highest search volume of keyword phrases relevant to your listing. You're not organically ranking on the top 15, but you did rank on self-steering mug for 299 organic. Let's take a look on that category. So as you can see, the first thing that you will notice here are the ads on the page because our competitors are advertising on this keyword. So even if you're organically ranking, customers have to scroll past a lot of sponsored products before they could get to the organic listing. That's why ads are important for visibility. Now let's take a look at the size of this opportunity. Just for one keyword, self-steering mug, that's a total of 3.6 million in monthly revenue, and that's a large market. There's still room for you to capture more sales, and we could help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate. Now, here are the brand that has their share of the market on this keyword, self-steering mug. Let's take a look at your competitor. And this is not to compare your product or your prices, but this is about learning on what's working with their strategy. As you can see, I have your MNZZ store, and they sold a total of 1,799 units for the last 30 days. They're able to do that because they're running ads and they have organic presence almost close to the 1 is to 2 SEO to PPC ratio, and they have a total of 10,043 keywords that makes them visible to Amazon searches 11 million times. Now, we can help you bridge this gap. We can do a keyword gap analysis on your listing. That means we will find high volume keywords your competitors are ranking for, and we will add them to your listing. We will compare at least 10 competitors and will focus on the keywords that consistently ranks well. Now, let's take a look on your strike zone. So, your strike zone keywords are your top 20 to 50 organic keywords you're currently ranking for. So these keywords are close to performing well but not driving much traffic yet. Would like to move them to the top 10 to significantly increase your visibility and overall sales. Since you only have one keyword under strike zone, I could send you this keyword report right here if you will schedule a call with us. And there are a lot of places on your listing you could add your keywords into. You could add that to the back end of your search term, to your title, to your bullets, and to your A plus content. Adding the right keywords in this area would help increase your visibility and overall sales. Also, based on your listing health score, you are missing one more image to complete the 7 or more images right here that's prescribed by Amazon. Also, you need to at least add more bullets. You currently have four. Highly recommend for you to add one more or take advantage of the maximum seven. Also, on your listing health score, once you have a rating above 4 and got um 10 more reviews, then you're good to go. Also, we could help A/B test different images to find what drives the most sale for you. I highly recommend for you to add more of your images, such as a photo of a human looking at the camera holding your product, or an infographic describing your product. Or you could add a video. I also noticed that your current title exceeds the new Amazon's limit. Starting July 27, Amazon may automatically shorten this to 75 characters, which could badly affect your SEO. Well, the goodness is Amazon's new highlight feature right here at the bottom. You could add your key features and benefits to make up for the missing title characters. And scrolling down at the bottom of your listing, you have your great looking brand story right here that definitely builds trust in your brand and your A plus content. Now, please consider adding a product grid too, as this will increase your average order value and customers will be able to find your other products on your listing. Well, your great looking A plus content could also help you improve your traffic. Now you could add 500 words of content right here and add alt text behind each of the images. So it could hold 100 characters of keywords on each image, and you could use a different language or a common misspelled words, and you have this great looking A plus content that also improves your SEO. There are a lot of opportunities I'd like to discuss here, but let me introduce you to our team. We're my Amazon guy, and we are a full service Amazon marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and generated over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team handles PPC, SEO, catalog issues, creative and brand protection. So if you're trying to increase your ranking, lower your ad costs or grow sales, we use proven strategies to help your brand succeed. So if you find this video helpful, click on the link below and schedule a call with an Amazon expert and learn how we could grow your sales on Amazon.